Good evening. My name is Ayusha Jain from grade 7C. My school name is National Public School from Ranebennur. Today I am going to do presentation on mathematics subject, that is chapter 1. Now I am opening PPT to do the integer chapter. Chapter 1, integer. Contents are introduction, properties of addition and subtraction of integers, properties of multiplication of integers, properties of division of integers. First, let us start with the introduction. The definition of integer is: an integer is a positive or negative number including 0. This is a figure which shows the integers. In this, positive integer, negative integer and 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are positive integers. Minus 4, minus 1, minus 2 are negative integers. 0 is integer. Then properties of integers are 5 types: closure under addition, closure under subtraction, commutative property, and fourth one is associative property, and fifth one is additive identity. Then first one is closure under addition. Integers are closed under addition. In general, for any two integers a and b, a plus b is an integer. We can conclude that integers are also closed under addition. Example: 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Then second property is closure under subtraction. Integers are also closed under subtraction. In general, for any two integers a and b, a minus b is an integer. Example 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Then third property of the addition and subtraction is commutative property. For any two integers a and b, a plus b is equal to b plus a. Example: 3 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Second example is 5 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 5 is equal to 10. Fourth property is associative property. For any two integers a, b and c, a plus bracket b plus c is equal to bracket a plus b plus c. Example: 2 plus 9 plus 10 is equal to 2 plus 9 plus 10 is equal to 22. Fourth property is additive identity. For any integer a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a. Example: 23 plus 0 is equal to 23. It remains same. Then we come to the third point: multiplication of integers. First property is multiplication of positive and negative integer. For any positive integers a and b, a into minus b is equal to minus a into b is equal to minus a into b. Example: minus 5 into 10 is equal to 5 into minus 10 is equal to minus 50. Another example is minus 30 into 2 is equal to 30 into minus 2 is equal to minus 60. Then second property is multiplication of negative integers. For any positive integers a and b, minus a into minus b is equal to, the sum is a into b. Example: minus 6 into minus 5 is equal to 30. Second example is minus 9 into minus 4 is equal to 36. There are so many examples. Then we come to the properties of multiplication of integers. There are 6 types. The first type is closure under multiplication, and second type is commutativity of multiplication, and third is multiplication by 0. Fourth one, multiplicative identity. Fifth one, associativity for multiplication. Sixth one, distributive property. First, let us start the closure under multiplication. For all integers a and b, a into b is an integer. Example: 5 into minus 8 is equal to minus 40. Second example is 2 into minus 9 is equal to minus 18. Let us start second property, commutativity of multiplication. For any integer a and b is an integer, then a into b is equal to b into c, b into a. Example: first example is 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Second example is 3 into 5 is equal to 5 into 3. The answer is 15. It remains same. Then let us start third property, multiplication by 0. For any integer a into 0 is equal to 0 into a is equal to 0. Example, first example, 2 into 0 is equal to 0. The answer is 0. Second example, 3 into 0 is equal to 0. Let us start fourth property, multiplicative identity. For any integer a into 1 is equal to 1 into a is equal to a. Example, 2 into 1 is equal to 2. The answer remains same. Second example, 3 into 1 is equal to 3. The fifth property is associativity for multiplication. For any integers a, b and c, a into b into c is equal to a into bracket b into c. Example, first example, 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 30. The answer, 3 into 5 into 3 is equal to 3 into 5 into 3 is equal to 45. Sixth property is distributive property. For any integers a, b and c, for addition a into bracket b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. For subtraction a into b minus c is equal to a into b minus a into c. Example, 2 into 3 plus 5 is equal to 2 into 3 plus 2 into 5. This is for addition and subtraction. 2 into 3 minus 5 is equal to 2 into 3 minus 2 into 5. Then let us start with the division of integers. For any integers a and b, a divided by minus b is equal to minus a divided by b, where b is not equal to 0. Then second property is of division of integer is for any integers a and b, minus a divided by minus b is equal to a divided by b, where b is not equal to 0. Then third property of division of integers is for any integers a by 1 is equal to a. It is a property of division of integers. Thank you.